Cheche came to class without her assignment. When asked why, she answered, "I have no one to ask for help. My parents leave for office very early in the morning and come past midnight when I am asleep already. As her teacher, what can you do?" Okay, ayan na ha. Would it be letter A, right? Cheche's parents about their responsibilities and helping her with schoolwork. Letter B, warn the parents that the child will fail if unaided. Letter C, meet her parents and discuss how home and school can partner to assist Cheche. Or letter D, advise Cheche to talk to her parents for much needed help. Pak na choice is letter C. Okay? So, bilang guro, no, gagawin mo talaga yung lahat, mag-i-split ka, magmi-meet ka talaga sa parents, no? Home visitation, tinatawag natin home visitation, minsan ay tataunin mo na walang pasok yung parents ng holidays, or it might be the weekend, na kahit maubos na yung oras mo, dapat ay pahinga mo,